Welcome to the Black Forest, one of the most beautiful areas of the world where we from Boschert live and work. We are one of the few companies that manufacture nearly 100% ourselves. This is our tradition. When the company started, we had 4 kilometers east the French border and 2 kilometers south the Swiss border. Behind us, the Black Forest. So we had to do all the work ourselves. And because within the last 70 years we have done a wonderful job, we will also in the future keep our policy to do 100% of the product by ourselves in-house. The company has land, buildings and a lot of machinery. For banking institutions, these are values. For me, the value of the company are the people working here, and it is a pleasure to work with this team, to fight together for one target. Boschert, simply better. We have the best staff because we trust and we believe in our people. They get a huge amount of responsibilities and they know to handle this. Everybody is responsible for the quality of the parts he's manufacturing. He fabricates them precisely, checks them accurately and passes them over only in perfect condition. Toby treats his machine as if it were his own, because he knows that only faultless tools deliver perfect results. This way of acting of all our employees is the heart of our success. Our apprentices belong to the best, year for year, and this for more than 70 years. Our credo is, do not complain about the lack of qualified staff, but educate some. During the apprenticeship, we learn our young people first, Ordnung, secondly, Sauberkeit, and thirdly, to organize their lives and their work. The safety check department, Alexei, is responsible that our hand wheels not only are great looking, but also gets a smooth surface. By the way, in his spare time, Alexei makes the best honey of the whole region. These machines are very complex in programming and operation, and we used to have great respect of these monsters. Nevertheless, I went to a demonstration some years ago with Thomas. We looked at the machine and I asked Thomas if he would be able to manage such a machine. Sure, I can. Today we use 7 lathes and milling centers. The team of the milling department organizes their work completely independently, from the organization of the needed tools till to the quality control. Fabio is the specialist of the department. There is no task that he cannot solve. And therefore in every safety check there is also a bit of Fabio. Since 47 years Günther manufactures all the problematic and complicated turn parts for us. With his immense experience and his skill, he is the magic master of the lathe. Like most factories, we manufacture series production of notching and punching machines on CNC centers. But because we want to provide our customers only with equipment of high quality and practical usability, we sometimes also use very unconventional methods. For instance, this monster, ripe for the museum, we only keep alive because with this machine it's possible to produce a surface that prevents the oily parts of sticking on the tables of our notching machines. With this surface we make hundreds of sheet metal workers happy, day by day. Another unconventional method is that we still use manual drilling centers, because we have found out that when it comes to produce single parts and prototypes, a highly skilled operator with a manual machine is much faster than any ultra high-tech CNC controlled workstation. Our Klaus is responsible for IDM and for the stock of all finished parts. And Marcello is the boss of the safety chucks production. The safety chuck department must be able to ship within a really short time up to 500 different chucks, and therefore the team and the organization has to be perfect. Of course, we also manufacture all sheet metal parts ourselves, and indeed on our own machines. Thereby, our locksmithery is simultaneously our permanent test center. In the assembly department for CNC punching machines and combi lasers, Tony is the boss. In all assembly halls there's a law that says one mechanic and one electrician build together one machine, and they are 100% responsible for it. So in fact, it is not a machine from Boschert, it's a machine from Stefan and Uwe, for example. And if customers have questions about or trouble with the machine, they are not connected with a call center that runs them crazy. They talk directly with the two specialists that have built the machine. Also, the electrical cabinets are completely built in-house. From here, our customers also get support in programming and on software questions, by phone or by internet. Here we store around 10,000 parts for the construction of our machines. Even after 20 years, customers still can order spare parts and they get them still in perfect condition. These notching machines with the amazing 3-point guiding system have been our first step into the sheet metal industry 40 years ago. Today, about 20,000 machines worldwide are in use. With such machines, we have made friends, not only customers. Look at this weld, isn't it a dream? That's best workmanship made by Waldemar and his team. They are responsible from unloading the raw material to the finished welded and plastered part. Here we are in the assembly hall of copper punching machines, press brakes and shears. Manuel, managing director of Boschert, and Benny are just testing a shear built from our partner Gizelis. It is very important that the machine complies with our standard before it will be shipped. In this area we assemble all our manual punching machines and press brakes of the Profi 28 and Quickbend series. And in this area Mark and Bernhard are just assembling a copper processing machine. Now we are at the end of our tour. You had a short insight in our company, and you know by now that we build machines with passion, machines that will make your work and life easier, because Boschert is simply better.